Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website. Like you see with me here, it's Wholesale Central, and it's an online directory and sourcing platform that connects retailers with wholesale suppliers and distributor. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Wholesale Central or wholesalecentral.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. So this is the result that I got. I have the official site over here and their page on Facebook and Instagram, and this similar websites and their page on LinkedIn. Okay, let's choose the official site, Wholesale Central, leading source for wholesale products. Let's click on it. So this is the homepage or the interface of the website. You will find all the information that you need to know or use on the site. So we will come back to this page later after I show you how to create an account. If you were a supplier or just a buyer, you need to go over here. And if you want to sign up as a buyer, you will click on the orange button. If you want to sign up as a supplier, you need to click on the blue button. Okay, let's try. It's the same method to create an account. Okay, we will try just by one, and you will choose what you want from them. Let's try with the buyer one. So we need to enter the email address over here. And if you have already a member, you will just log in from over here and enter your email and password, and you will get in. Okay, if this is the first time, you will create your accounts here or email here and submit from this green button and complete the other information about you and questions. So let's choose a password. And we need to re-enter the password, same one. Then we need to write first name, the last name, the company name, and phone number. Okay, just I will enter any number. Then the address of your country and where you live. Then you need to write the city over here. This is all independent to you, okay? And then you need to select the country and the state, then the postal code or the zip code. Then you need to answer these 4 questions here. What is your primary type of business? You need just to select it. The third-party online seller, Amazon, FBA, Walmart, eBay, etc., or it's the retailer or the manufacturer or the wholesaler, importer, and the distributor, or the business service or other. Okay, let's try to use this one. For the second question, what type of merchandise are you trying to source? We need to just select the answer. Okay, let's just this answer is independent to what you want. What is main price point of your merchandise? Discount, mid-range, or high-end? And where do you primarily sell? A storefront, that means physical store, online, fly market, swap meet, fair vendor, or kiosk cards, catalog, direct marketing, home-based businesses, or other. Let's choose this one over here. And would you like to receive exclusive offers for varied Wholesale Central suppliers, industry news and trend, and monthly updates? Listen, our new supplier? Yes or no? This is independent on you. And you need to confirm that you have read and agree to the term of the service. And you need just to join. I cannot because I didn't enter the password and address like you see with me here. So once you complete all the information and click on join, you will create your account successfully. So let's back to the home page to see the different key features of this website. So we come back to the present page, and like you see with me here, we find the categories. And here the Amazon FBA suppliers. And let me tell you something, the supplier directory on Wholesale Central offers a vast directory of wholesale suppliers, manufacturers and distributors across various product categories. The directory covers a wide range of industries, including apparel, electronics, home goods, beauty, and more. Users can search for suppliers based on specific products keywords or browse through different categories. Like I see before, apparel, clothing. We have here the different items and apparel from or for the clothing suppliers like baby clothes, bridal and wedding, camouflage, children clothing, lingerie, sportswear, all what you search about. And to see the different deals of the wholesale, you need just to click over here and you will find different deals. We have a lot of deals like say 5%, 10% or 15% of a qualifying order. This is some information about the deals and sales. This will very help you to get started for the first time on the website. And for the trade shows, you can find the trade shows that you looking for from here. You need just to select what you want and click on search and you will find them.